Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm back with another video, and sorry I haven't been posting, like, I don't know how long it was again. It was a long time that I took a break, but I've just been busy with school and stuff. It's my last year. I'm a senior, high school, so yeah, I'm kind of under pressure a bit, but it's okay. I'm back making a new video today. You guys can see I'm repping the Spidey shirt. So you guys already know what today's video is going to be about. The title's up there, so you guys clicked it. And yes, today indeed we are going to be working on the Spider-Man sweatshirt for the homemade suit that he has in Spider-Man Homecoming. Finally, I'm going to get around to doing that. It was actually kind of hard to find a red sweater, believe it or not. But I finally found one at Kmart, so I mean, yeah, apparently they have them at Kmart. I never shopped there, that's why, but so go to Kmart if you guys are looking for the sweater. I'm going to show you guys the sweater right now. And yeah, we're going to get right into it. I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to do, the modifications and everything. And I'm going to do it like step by step with you guys. So yeah, let's get right into it, guys. Okay guys, so this is the sweater that I got. Get it at Kmart, as I told you guys. And well, show you guys, it's that's the brand right there. It's the Basic Editions. That's the set, that's the brand. Basically it's just a red hoodie and nothing special to it. The only thing I didn't like is that it doesn't have the metal cylinder tabs on the lace for the hoodie like the Spider-Man one has, but I mean, you know, it's not that big of a deal. I could always just change the lace later on if I really want to, so it's not that big of a deal. Other than that, it's pretty accurate. The sweater he has is supposed to have this kind of like going over it, like kind of covering the zipper, but I mean that's fine, you know. As long as you get a red sweater, like people won't really even notice once you're wearing it. And this another modification you might want to do, which I don't know if I'm gonna do, probably not. It's just that you have to from here, I believe it's from here, or it's from, no, yeah, it's from here. Another modification that you can do to the suit, what I don't know, I might do, is make this, like tuck this in basically. So you would have to like take off the seams and tuck this in at an angle, something like that, I think. Okay, so yeah, this is what I'm talking about. You see the pockets? So the pockets should be they should be this corner should be rounded out like this, so that you could like unsew this and like put it. I don't know if I'm gonna do that actually, because it's too much work and I might just end up ruining the sweater. So at least for now I'm not gonna do that, but maybe in the future, I don't know, I might do that. And yeah, basically as you guys saw in the picture, you just need to cut off the arm sleeves, and basically that's all I'm gonna do, and of course the spider, and that's it. That's basically all I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do in this video. So it should be pretty simple. I'm gonna show you guys how I cut the arms exactly, like what I do to determine, because as you guys can see, it's like right there, it's like kind of like it starts off a little bit thicker and ends up a little bit thinner. And let me see, those are picture. See, that's how it should be. So yeah, I'm just going off these pictures, and yeah, I'm gonna try my best to do it as similar as I can to this. And yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys how I measure out how I'm gonna cut the sleeves. Alright guys, so as you guys can see right here, right there, I already marked out where I think I should cut, and on this arm too. How I did is I basically just put on the sweater, and then me by myself, I just looked at the picture and I looked at where I thought it should be for me to my shoulders, because it's gonna be different depending on what type of body you have. If you're leaner, if you're more muscular, you know, bigger, it all goes down to that, because it should be around like the same place that it goes. Because if you cut it too short so it matches with the movie one, your shoulders might end up you know, like not being covered as much on your body, because you cut it too short. So I'm gonna do it according to like my measurements and how I do it. But yeah, you just want to look around like where it should stop and mark it kind of around there. And yeah, I just did that for both arms. So now I'm gonna cut it, and it should go, I think, a little bit at an angle. You should be reducing the width of the total of the arm that you cut off. Like, it should be at an angle kind of. So I'll show you guys what I mean right now when I cut it. So okay guys, so you guys just saw it just finished. Those are the lines that I made right here. They look pretty good. I just drew them in the front, and I'm just gonna cut out from here, and the same for this one. And yeah, after that we could go into drawing the spider, and I'll show you guys how I do that too, of course. But first we're gonna do this, cut out the arms, make sure everything looks good, and yeah, I'll show you guys once I cut off the arms. Okay guys, so I'm finally done with that. It was actually more difficult than I thought it was gonna be, because you really have to like make sure it looks right. But like this looks about right to me. You guys can see, and it's kind of hard to do it, but you just kind of like give yourself space in case you mess up, because you could always go less, little by little, but you can't go more once you cut too much. So always leave yourself a little bit of space when you're starting off, and start building your way up to like where you want it. And I think that's where I want it. I think that looks pretty good. You guys can see that looks pretty accurate, I would say. So now I'm gonna mark what the spider should go by making like 2 lines or something, by tracing basically around where the general area where the spider should start and end. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys when I do that. Okay guys, so as you guys can see, these are the markings I made. This is about where the spider should end. It should be about that wide, and right here it should end about here. And this is where like the body of the spider should be, and these are for the legs, how much they should extend. Yeah, so basically that's how I marked it out according to this picture. And I mean, that's about right. But yeah, so that's how I'm gonna do it. And now I'm just gonna start like drawing it. I think I'm gonna freehand it, just looking at the picture right here. And then I'm gonna trace it with pen, and then finally with marker. Now as you guys can see, I've traced it out with pencil. You kind of see it right there. Yeah, you can see it. So I traced it out with pencil, just free-handed it from this picture. And yeah, that's how it looks. It looks pretty close to it. Try to like look at all the proportions and everything. It looks pretty accurate to it. So now I'm gonna trace it with pen. And after that, I'm gonna fill it in with marker, and that's it. We should be done. So okay guys, so this is how it looks. I just finished tracing it with a pen. It looks pretty good actually, as you guys can see. And as you guys know, in the movie, it's not supposed to look perfect. It's supposed to look like he made it, so it was kind of rough and stuff. So I kind of recreated that. You can kind of see like the pen marks like that. So yeah, I think it looks really good. And it doesn't have to be perfect when you guys are doing it too. Like, it doesn't have to be perfect at all. Just kind of follow along what it's supposed to look like, and you guys should be fine. Like, it doesn't matter how it comes out. I was noticing on the actual movie one, and there's a lot of imperfections and stuff. So yeah, I mean, just go with it however it comes out. You guys can see, like, it's not perfect, but that's how it is in the movie. So that's what you want to go for. Just try your best so it still looks nice and not that sloppy, but it shouldn't look perfect either. So yeah, next up I'm going to be coloring this in with marker, all of the spider. And yeah, after that, I'm just gonna show you guys how it looks with the blue shirt under. So alright guys, so as you guys can see, I am now done filling in the little bubbles for the legs and the actual like spider body. So I'm done pretty much with this whole thing. So I'm just gonna throw it on for you guys with the mask and the blue shirt to show you guys, give you guys an idea of what it would look like all together once the suit is all finished. So yeah, so just give me a second, I'll be right back. Hey guys, so this is how it looks all together. Whoa, that's pretty cool. Yeah, I mean, it looks pretty good. Pretty much exactly how it looks in the movie. So I'm really excited to finish this cosplay, guys. This so far has all been done by me. I've done everything, as you guys know from the previous videos, and yeah, everything's pretty accurate. The mask, everything. If you guys haven't seen the previous videos to this one, to how I made the jacket, make sure you guys go back in my channel and go watch the mask and the lenses video. And yeah, this blue shirt that I got here, it's a Nautica shirt. I don't really know the exact name for it, what color it is, but yeah, it's a Nautica shirt, and it's like the perfect kind of blue. So I was just really lucky to get it. And yeah, I mean, that was it for this video. That's how it turned out. That's how to make the Spider-Man Homecoming homemade sweater. And yeah, let me take off the mask. So right guys, yeah, that's a little bit better. The mask is really tight, but okay, anyways guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Check out my other videos, check out my social media, which will be down in the description below. And yeah, stay tuned to see how to finish the whole suit. So see you guys in the next one. Peace out, geeks.
I feel paralyzed.